Welcome back to KIFS Crypto, everybody. Today in this update, we're going to be looking at several things, but probably one of the most important things is the indicator that we're now using for XRP is proving to be absolutely amazing. We got some updates also on DeFi, Taraxa, and I'm going to go through our new signals group and tell you how you can gain access to that via our Discord. So without further ado, let's get into the monthly update. Right, we're not going to take too long on the charts right away here, but as you can see, Bitcoin is up 2.2% today, hovering around the 82, 83 mark. Lots going to depend what happens over the next couple of weeks where we're going to go with this, but I would assume down is the way forward. Anyways, let's go through the indicator. So this is the XRP chart, and as you can see, we are currently on $2.31, having been down at $1.90 only last Tuesday. Now this indicator, let me show you what it is. I want to go through the about first. It is the zero lag signals for loop by Quant Algo. I am not taking any credit for this indicator whatsoever. We have turned it into a strategy. I'll show you the results of that. But this is amazing. It is open source. It is a simple yet effective technical indicator that merges advanced zero lag mechanisms with adaptive trend analysis to bring you a fresh take on market momentum tracking. Its aim is to support both medium to long-term investors monitoring broader market shifts and precision-focused traders seeking quality entries through its dual-focused analysis approach. Now, it tells you about the core architecture there. The three distinct components of this indicator are zero lag EMA. Everybody's looking for zero lag indicators at the moment. This is a zero lag indicator. Although it says very simple, it is much more complicated than that. And we have found it to be amazing for XRP. It has an enhanced moving average calculation designed to minimize traditional lag effects, obviously. A comprehensive scoring mechanism that weighs current price action against historical context. And a sophisticated ATR-based filter that adjusts signal sensitivity to market conditions. Now, I'm not going to go through everything. There's a lot of stuff here, how you use and everything. Hugely positive responses on this. But I will show you with XRP, and I'm going to turn on the strategy that we created using ChatGPT. So let me just show you the results. Now, this is not completed. There's still some cosmetics to be done on this. There's still some editing in terms of exit and entries. As you can see, we have had 81 trades with a profit factor score of 1.932 and profitable trades 39.51%. Total trades 81. Max drawdown was a bit high on this, 37.8%. But as you can see, our profit on this is 384%. Now, as I said, we have some editing to do on this. We're going to try and increase this number. It is an amazing indicator. I'm going to turn off our edited version here. I'm going to put on the actual one, which is this. As you can see, these are your entry points, shorts and longs. Now, this long is still ongoing. And you would have got in here. Now, you would have got dusted here probably, depending on your stop losses. In terms of changes in trends and momentums, it is very, very accurate. If you want access to the strategy, it is available in our Discord. Posted in there. As I said, we're not charging for this or anything. We did this with ChatGPT, so it's free for anybody that wants it. But I want to make sure that all the credit goes to Quant Algo. Now, speaking of Discord, this is our Discord group that is now up and running. Been only up in a week or so. 64 members already, but I want to show you something in here that we have. And this is our VIP area. Now, this throws up signals daily. Market analysis daily. We're waiting for today's version of this summary that comes in every day. Gives us an update on the current conditions in the cryptocurrency markets, but primarily focused on BTC. Over here you got your swing signals. And this one was fired off this morning. And it was a short for Tron. And so it gives you your entry point, your take profit levels here, all the way up to 6, and your stop loss. Now, these calls are coming from experienced traders that know what they're doing on BY DeFi. And so what we've been doing is we've been testing these out, and I'll show you what we've done. If you shoot over here, you'll see we took this entry this morning. This is BY DeFi, by the way, our go-to cryptocurrency exchange. Obviously, we're using demo. Make sure you use the demo accounts when you're testing any of these signals or any new strategies. And I would say the same for any new people to this space. If you want to get into trading, I would recommend BY DeFi, but I also recommend that you use the demo accounts to familiarize yourself with their system and trading in general. As you can see, this was our entry point here. So far looking good. So we used 5x on our margin of just under 1,000 USDT. And as you can see, we're up currently so far at $45, 4.5%. So yeah, so BY DeFi, man, I love it. It is so easy to use. No problems with liquidity. The orders just go through. At the moment, it is, as I said, our go-to exchange. Now, speaking of BY DeFi, if you want to get into this VIP area here and get access to these signals, you must be a BY DeFi user. And all you have to do is let me know in here, VIP access, your UID, and we'll get you into our VIP area. There's a link in the description. If you don't have an account, head over there, utilize that. You appreciate it if you did, and it will give you immediate access to our VIP section. Now, also, we got a lot of shit to get through today, by the way. But I want to give you an update on DeFi because we've spoke about it so much on this channel. So essentially, they've had a rough couple of months. And let's go over and look at the chart. Because we have it here. And they're down to 0. Whoo, mama. Yeah. As you can see, it has just been one downward turn after another. And no needs to be using our strategies here, our signals on this. Currently down at 0.05. Now, primarily the problem is they've missed all their big announcements, and that has just pissed off investors and holders, and people have got out of it. Now, current downward trend in the market hasn't helped either, but when you miss targets, you miss announcements in this space, people are ruthless. But let's look at some positivity with DeFi. DeFi World 2025 went very well. You had Donnie Jr. speaking, you had Kevin O'Leary speaking, all very, very positive in terms of the way DeFi is moving. And I will show you here their Twitter. Now, don't forget, these guys are backed by Binance, Coinbase, like some of the biggest names in the industry. As you can see up here, as they already said, OKX are involved. Founded in 2020, so they've been around quite a while. Look, I've spoken enough about these guys on this channel recently. There is a link. I've done a total review on this. If you want to check them out, see what they're all about, link is in the description. But as you can see, they had Donnie Jr. speaking at their recent conference. You can go through it all there. They also hosted Kevin O'Leary and 50 other Tier 1 Web3 founders. So, yeah, huge success. There's a lot of positivity on this. It's just not being reflected in the charts currently. This is going to be big. We hope this is going to be big. 20th of March, 6 days time. There's a major announcement coming. Yes, we've heard this before, and this is what a lot of the biggest issues have been. I mean, it was up here that there was a huge announcement coming on the 20th of March, but there is, as you can see here, something coming. We don't know what it is. So I think the expectations now of something major are vastly lowered because of the last two announcements that just didn't meet the expectations of people. And so there hasn't been that much hype around this. So this might be one of those where promise a little, deliver a lot. So we're not going to go through the comments on that. But that's DeFi. They're still on our watch list for 2025. And speaking of our watch list, head over to CoinGecko. One I wanted to point out here, which we've been watching a while, is Taraxa. And let me just refresh that. So as you can see, is currently at 0.08 cents. This is, I think this has got mental potential. As you can see, we had a very, very long period of inactivity, not much happening. We had a pop then, end of 2023, back down again, and you can see it's beginning to pop. It's generating a lot more interest. The volume has gone up on it a lot, and look at, we've been talking about these guys for a long time also. They're on our watch list. If you want to put them on yours, put them on. This could be a good earner. You know, currently the market overall is a bit shit, so. And we're also Dragon chain holders, and I'm going to be doing a dedicated review on Dragon chain soon. I think this deserves to be spoken about. This is 100% US company that is just not getting the recognition it deserves. It should be at the top table when it comes to the new cryptocurrency reserve. These guys should be at, these guys know exactly what they're doing. Amazing team. One of the few teams out there that is 100% genuine. They just want to build and create. So it's disappointing that they haven't been invited to the big house yet. And I suppose finally, if you're looking for a website that gathers all the news from all the other websites, we've created trading365.org. It is still a work in progress, but as you can see, it is pulling data and news stories from around the cryptocurrency space. And it's just a useful way to condense all the latest news into one place. It was developed for me personally. If you guys want to use it, we're still in development. We still have a lot of work to do on it, but man, it is fucking handy. They got some charts thrown onto there. This is the current heat map. We got some stocks. We got to put more stocks onto it. We got to do our technical analysis section. But the crypto news stuff is flying in. And as you can see, the latest one came in an hour ago. So that's the US courts permits 3 Arrows Capital to expand the claim against FTX and rejects FTX objections. So that's the kind of stuff that's coming in. I need to be a bit more, I need to tally up some of the news that's coming in. Some of it is pure shite, but yeah, it's, as I said, it's a work in progress. Put it in your list if you want to have a look at it. So look guys, that's the update for the last couple of weeks. Can't call it monthly anymore because they're not fucking monthly. Yeah, so we covered DeFi, we had a quick look at Taraxa, we covered our signals group, and we covered that indicator. As I said, love to see you over on Discord, building the community there, trying to get the most we can out of these indicators, turning them into strategies. All the links are in the description. Link to the Discord, link to Trading365, and a link to BY DeFi also there. But yeah, that about does it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments box below any of these particular stories or topics gained your attention. If you liked today's video, hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it. Go and hit the dislike button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you again soon.